We are moving into symmetry, and I kind of talked about it yesterday. It's the same on both sides. So if you open it up, it's like the mirror image. So when I open up my hands, it's like the same on both sides. So it's kind of like your mittens. Where are we here? It's the same on both sides. See that? It's like the mirror image. And I have another pair of mittens. The same. See how the stripes are all the same color all the way down? It's also like these binoculars. If you put a line down the middle, it would be the same on both sides. And like Mrs. Mann's glasses. See that? Oh, they're a little dirty. If you put a line down the middle, they're the same on both sides. So we're going to make some mittens, but we're only going to paint one. I wonder how this is going to work. I'm going to show you. So you need some paper. I have some paint. Of course, I've used a recycled egg carton for my paint holders. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a mitten. So a mitten only has a spot for 4 fingers, and then it has a spot for a thumb. So a glove would have a spot for all your fingers, but a mitten has one, just like this. Okay, so that's what I'm going to draw. So here is my mitten. I have a spot for my thumb and then a spot for my fingers. So what I'm going to do, I have 2 pieces of paper there. I'm going to cut them out at the same time. Put them together. I'm going to follow along the line. Turning my paper, my thumb is up. And what we're going to do is we're going to paint one mitten. So maybe your mitten has stripes, maybe it has snowflakes, maybe it has dots. You can draw your mitten any way you want. So all we're going to do is we're going to put one of those mittens, because you should have a pair. Right now they're the same. But we're only painting one. I'm not sure. Let's see what happens. So take one. And you're going to paint whatever you want to paint on that. So I'm going to paint a few stripes. Maybe a couple of snowflakes. I'm going to switch colors. Put some on my thumb. Ooh, I like this mitten. I'll put one more color on it. Some yellow. So I've painted one mitten. Now how are we going to make the other mitten the same without putting paint on it? Any ideas? Here's our mitten. I'm going to add one more thing over there. How are we going to make the other one the same without actually painting on it? Any ideas? All right, let's try this. We're going to put our mitten right over top. Try and match it up as best you can. And now we're going to press it, press it, press it. Oh, I see some paint kind of squirting out. That's okay. We're just going to rub it rubbing it along this. Oh, I see some paint pressing out. That's okay. What do you think is going to happen? You ready to take it off? Here we go. Hey! Look it! They're the same! If I close them and open them up, there is symmetry. They look exactly alike, but we only painted one. Too funny. All right, there you go. Take your time. That's a fun project. And then you can even put some string on it, and then you'll have a pair of mittens. Do they look like your mittens? Have fun with this activity. More with symmetry with your STEAM tomorrow. Exciting.